Hi guys! AI baby dance videos have been going viral across the internet lately. These AI babies look incredibly adorable. Their dance movements feel surprisingly realistic, and many of these videos are getting millions of views online. The best part is that you only need Edimakor and just 2 simple steps to create your own AI baby dance videos. Alright, no more wasting time, let's get started. If you haven't downloaded Edimakor yet, you can find the official download link in the description below. Simply visit the official website, download the software, and install it on your computer. Step 1. Create the image. Now launch Edimakor, then go to AI Image, Image Generator, and enter text to image. For this tutorial, I'll be using the GPT Image 2 model. Next, choose one of the baby image prompts I placed in the description and paste it into the prompt box. After that, adjust the resolution and aspect ratio, then click Generate. Here's the result of the generated baby image. Step 2. Generate the video next. I'll show you 2 different methods for creating AI baby dancing videos. Method 1. Using the AI dance feature. Go to AI Video, AI Dance, then choose the Seedream Imitator AI model. After that, upload the baby image that Edimakor generated for us earlier. Next, open the Action Template library. You'll find many trending dance styles currently popular on social media platforms. Simply choose a dance template you like, then click Generate. After a short wait, your AI dancing baby video will be ready. Let's check out the final result. Method 2. Using the Reference to Video feature. Now let's move on to the second method. Go to AI Video, Reference to Video, then select the WAN 2.7 reference video model. Next, you'll need to download a dance video from TikTok as the motion reference. When choosing the dance clip, make sure the full body is visible in the frame, including both the hands and feet. This is extremely important because it helps the AI accurately recognize and replicate the dance movements. Then upload both the dance reference video and the baby image into Edimakor. After that, paste the reference to video prompt from the description into the prompt box. Set the duration, resolution, and aspect ratio, then click Generate. With just a few simple steps, you can easily create your own AI dancing baby videos. Go give it a try. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. I'll see you in the next video.